Wonka. I make chocolate. Quite simply, the greatest invention in the entire history of the world.
The headlines. Look. Wonka, factory,
To open at last.
to open. Chocolate news. Yes, a candy man can, 'cause he mixes it with love and makes the world taste good.
My daddy says it's my time and there ain't no doubt about it. Hashtag Willy Wonka is crazy.
I've got a golden ticket. I've got a golden twinkle in my eye. Charlie, taste the dandelions. They're made of cotton candy.
Mama, there's a whole lagoon full of chocolate.
No, Augustus. What kind of pie, boy?
Blueberry.
Blueberry?
No one says no to Veruca salt.